Hey, how's it going? I believe this is something I ordered off of eBay. Um, I believe that because it, customs came out of country type of thing. You can tell. Go with that up there and whatnot. And have my address. I want you guys sending me poop. I've seen it done. Not that you would, but you never know. Package it well. Normally I get a bunch of Japanese newspaper stuff. And the bubble wrap. Fujiko mine from Lupin the Third. And a little tricky, I think. You opened it. No. Alright, now they got the tape done right there. I'll show you some of the box real quick. There's nothing in it. Joking. Don't look at me like that. I'm not a pervert. What the heck is this to? Okay, now I got it. This is a back piece to keep it, from falling over. Pretty good detail.